Hello everybody! If you're new here, hi, my name is Kim and this is my YouTube channel, obviously. Right, today, when the camera decides it wants to focus, today we are going to have a look at this little contraption here, okay? This is the Cricut Joy. Lovely little piece of machinery. I do have a Cricut Air, which is a lot bigger, but I really like this little Cricut Joy. It's so easy to use. There she goes. Let's pop her little flap down, okay? And there we have Cricut Joy. Okay, she's got one little holdall thing there, okay, to put your bits and pieces in. And we are going to be making something similar to this, alright? And it's just so easy. Now, usually you can buy the kits for these. I have actually ordered some. £7 for, I think it's 12 cards with envelopes. So basically you get your insert card, you get your outside card, you get your envelope, okay, times 12, which £7, I think it's 10 or 12, I can't remember, but it's not bad going, I suppose. But this one here I made myself with just standard paper. So if you've got envelopes, buy a big wad of envelopes and then just use your own card. Now, on average, the size, this is what we're going to be using, okay? We're going to be using this contraption here. It is so easy to use. And we're going to use the iPhone or an app on your phone, okay, your smartphone. And like I say, this little thing here. So, to start off with, we're going to get those. With this, I've got a small mat and a larger mat, but we're not going to be using those today. And I have got one of these machines here, which I'm going to use to cut with. Let's sort this out. So I'm going to put the camera over there, I think, so that it's a little bit easier to film. My filming is atrocious, okay. Right, where was I? So today we are in the art corner. We're actually in the painting corner. So here we are in the painting corner. Over here we have the little embroidery corner. It's actually the same corner, but never mind. And over here, if we go all the way around there, over there is our little art, drawing, stamping, etc. corner. And over there we have, here we go, as we go around, we have the sewing corner, and then we have the little printing corner, and then back here. Anyway, enough of that. Okay, so, right, let's get this camera sorted. Let's move you around here. Basically, I'm going to get the phone, alright. I'm going to go into the Cricut app, which is here, Cricut Design Space, okay. We're going to go to machine setup, okay, so, right, here we go. So, the machine setup is on, I wonder if I could screen record this. Here we have the Cricut app, and we're going to go to the machine selection and select on Joy, because that's what I've got going. Here we have the Cricut Joy, click on that. Now I'm going to scroll down and have a look at birthday cards. As you can see, I've looked up Christmas cards already. So birthday cards, and I'm going to find one that I find interesting, that uses the pen as well as the cutting machine. And I found one, so I'm going to click on that. Now I want to select a size. There's 3 different sizes you can have, and I'm going to select the middle size, which is I think about 108 millimeters by 140 millimeters. And as you can see, it gives you a list of everything you need and what you need to do, the process. So here you'll see me click on 10.8 by 14, and now we're going to go and click on Make It and go from there. And now it will just talk you through everything. So you'll click on that and so on. So we're going to cut this out first. This is about the right size here. Let's just mark our thing so we know where we're going with it. Let's mark it on the inside here. Okay. So, up there. And there. That gives me a rough idea of where I want it anyway. We can measure it on here as well. want to do is make sure it's straight here, and I want to line it up with the little, with the edge of that there. Okay, done that, and then the same here. So we line that up, make it straight. So yeah, hang on. So if we look at the 14 there we go, it's 14. Okay, so let's just check that again. So that measures, right, okay. So there we have our piece of card. Now we're just going to fold it. Let's put that away a minute. I have got another one somewhere for doing this, but we'll use this one for now. Okay, so we're just going to fold this. Alright, there we go. So that's going to be the outside of our card. Okay, so the outside. And now we want an insert. What we're going to do is we're going to cut our inserts. And right, I'm going to get some of this glitter paper here. I'm going to use a piece of this, and basically I'm just going to measure this to fit inside the card. Okay, so we'll just do a little line there, and then we'll give it a cut with the machine. Okay, so to that one again. And then this side. Okay. Right, so there we have our insert as well. Alright. So that should fit nicely in there. Okay. Right. So first of all, what I'm going to do is we are going to get our little thing here. So right, so potentially this is what we're wanting to do. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to put this here, okay, inside here. So what happens is it goes in there like that, alright, and then you can see that it will slide. You've got 3 different markers here, which is the different size of cards. So I've cut mine, like I said, it's 108 mils by 140 mils. So that should fit. Comes in, it will give you the instructions how to do it on down here. Alright, so we're going to pop that in there, and then that folds over just like that. You must peel off this here, okay? Then we're going to stick that down to that there, okay? Now that is going to go in here, like so. We want to select the machine, so it's waiting to pick up the machine. So we're going to pick up the machine. Okay. Right. So what we want to do now at the moment is we want to insert cardstock. Okay. So we're going to have cardstock. So we'll do cardstock. All right. So load black pen. We've done that. Now we're going to pop that in there. Okay. And let it do its business. Now it's going to draw. Click on go. Now it should do its business. Okay, so now we're going to take that out, okay, then we're going to pop our blade in, shut it up again, press go, and now it's going to get ready. cut the rest. Okay, so now we're all finished, so let's have a look what we've got. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click on OK to unload it. And there we go, there's our finished card. So now let's have a look what we've got. Okay, so here we have our design. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift the card out from the thing, and then what I want to do is I'm going to flip it over this way and slightly bend this thing here and just pull the card away from that there. That way I'm not bending it too much. We're going to be left with a few remnants on there. We'll get rid of those in a minute. And on here we have, it should shake out. If they don't just shake out, you can just prod them out with your weeder. Okay, so there's quite a few little bits on this one, as you can see. So they just pop out. Now I will tell you that this is the second time I've done this. What I needed to do was adjust the pressure because this is quite heavy cardstock, so I adjusted it to 270 gram cardstock. This is 300 gram cardstock, but I set the machine to 270 with extra instead of on the default. So there we go, there's that bit there. Okay, let's move all our little bits out of the way. Now everything should be out from there. So I've cut two pieces, two inserts to go inside. Now pop that in there. So you've got your little slits in here, which are going to go in like so. So as you can see, there is a little slit there, and we're going to pop our card through that slit out through the other side, and the same for the next corner. That's for all four corners. And then there we have our birthday card, and there we go. There we have a little birthday card. It's quite a handy little piece of machinery to have, really. Look at that, look, isn't that cute? And we can change it around. Let's try the gold, shall we? Let's put the gold in as well. Let's change it. So if you don't like that colour, let's change it a bit. Let's see what it looks like with the... Let me just make sure we've got all those bits off. Let's see what the gold looks like, shall we? That looks quite pretty too. I think I prefer the pink, but there we go. There's the gold. Looks alright, doesn't it? So simple. There's a Christmas one that I did just before Christmas, but yeah, there we go. Very simple and easy, and with this little Cricut machine here, it's just so easy. There we go. It's so simple. Look at that, look, isn't that cute? Let's see if it will focus in. Yeah, look at that, isn't that pretty? So pretty. And the steps to do that, it's just so easy. Your app on your phone, it's quick, super easy. I love this little Cricut Joy. I think I actually like it a lot more than I actually like my Cricut Air. So yeah, because it's so cute, compact. It's wireless. Yeah, brilliant. very pleased with that. And I think that's it for today. Where's my Christmas card gone? Let's have a look. Here we are. Here's the Christmas card. So we have the Christmas card. Isn't that cute as well? I didn't do a tutorial on that. I just had a go at that just before Christmas. And I didn't do my Christmas cards with it, I must be honest. But I did make some Christmas tags. But I love that. It's definitely going to be my thing next Christmas. Okay, so definitely. So simple, so easy. Birthday cards, Christmas cards. I don't need to go out and buy any anymore. There we go. Lovely. Right. So I'm going to leave you there, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because it all helps the channel, and then I can keep creating more content. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.